welcome to Story Time on this beautiful spring day. For those of you who don't know me yet, I am your Storytime reader, Ms Nikki. For this week's story, I chose the book Bird Builds a Nest. Have you taken a close look at a bird's nest? It's beautiful, isn't it? Building a nest is a lot of hard work. There is a lot of pushing and pulling. In physics, this is called force. Force is a push or pull on an object. All this pushing and pulling requires energy. I wonder how bird gets her energy. Let's read and learn more. Bird Builds a Nest, written by Martin Jenkins and illustrated by Richard Jones. It's a beautiful day. Bird is up early. She's got a lot to do. First, she needs some breakfast. What she wants is a nice, juicy worm. Bird pulls hard, but the worm pulls back. It's a big worm and it's strong. Too strong for Bird. Ah, this one's better. It's smaller and not as strong. Delicious. Now Bird can get on with her work. She's not looking for worms now. She needs twigs, lots of twigs. This one's too heavy. And so is this one. All of these will do fine. Bird can carry one large twig or two medium-sized twigs, or 3 or 4 small twigs, although it's hard to fit that many in her beak at once. She's building her nest. It's not quite finished though. Carefully, she pushes a twig into the side of the nest and pulls its end back out. Pushing and pulling, she gets all the twigs in place. She works for hours, flying back and forth, fetching and carrying, pushing and pulling. Sometimes she drops a twig, but it doesn't matter. She's looking for softer things now, dried grass and feathers. They're very light. She can carry lots of these at once. She tucks them into place, turning around and around, pushing with her whole body. She makes a snug little cup, smooth and soft on the inside. The nest is ready and waiting. Can you guess what it's waiting for? Eggs! 5 of them, speckled and beautiful, and getting ready to hatch. The end. The next time you see a bird's nest, think of all the hard work, force, and energy that went into building that nest. Thank you for listening. Please join me soon for another story. Until then, keep asking questions and stay curious.